We are unboxing the Gonex Wooden Gymnastic Rings with adjustable straps. So these are gyms, obviously, for a quick at-home workout, exercise, or training, giving you lots of options to work out exactly how you want. So you can see here, 2 handles, great for training your chest, lats, shoulders, or arms. 2 leg straps come included as well for your abs, obliques, glutes, and legs, and then 2 large rings. So those help push, pull, plank, squat, lunge, hinge, or rotate. So these can be anchored onto your door, whether it's in your home, indoors, at a gym. There is a setup video you can check out on their product listing that's super easy to follow. But what I especially love is this detailed training poster that comes with it. So it's got different difficulty levels of those workouts, so you can really train according to your own abilities. It's also broken down into different body muscle groups, muscle areas, and accurate decomposition action. So really cool that you can really break those all down. Definitely check it out.